I have a situation here. A company is looking to give offers and it cannot give a double offer. For example, if you make a purchase in the history more than 1000, it will give you a bonus. And if you are a loyalty member, and then it will give you offer. So how you gonna find that? You'll use sort function and you say that if your sales is greater than 1000, you get the bonus. Second condition, if you are a loyalty member, like you have Y, then you will get it. If you are meeting any one condition out of these two, you will get the bonus. But if you meet both the condition, you will not get the bonus. So check out this customer. He has more sales and he has a member also, not eligible for the offer. Second customer, again not eligible because less sale and no member. Third is higher sale, no member, one condition met, he's eligible for offer. He's a member, so eligible for the offer. So this is how you can use the sort function